In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the gaps from your workflow in Clipchamp. So first of all, I want to say there's no way that you can just quickly delete every single gap. And the reason for this is because there'll be a lot of gaps on different layers which don't make sense to delete, and Clipchamp can't tell which gaps it wants you to remove and you want to remove. So you're going to have to do it manually. Now that being said, the way that you would do this is you would go in between your base layer here, so for example this, and you will click delete gap and delete gap. Now when you do this, you need to be careful because you can see that these things up here, they do not stay in position. Say you've got overlays here, they don't stay in position. So what you want to do, you want to go over here like this and group them. Now if you see, it won't allow you to delete the gaps if there are if there's things there. So that's what you want to do. Now you can export it and the gaps will no longer be there. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.